this video, guys, I'm gonna try the toothpaste cleaning the white shoes or any kind of shoes. Let's see if it's working. So ganun daw dapat puti na toothpaste. Try natin kung malinis siya. It's true, pumuti siya pagkatapos punasan ng guys, tinuod. Tingnan natin ito. Let's try this. Let's see kung puputi yan, ha. Uy, totoo. Luminis. So, subukan natin itong linisin. This is before. Guys, can you see the difference? And that one is still filthy. Look at that. Ang galing ng toothpaste. Panglinis. Hindi pa ko tapos. Tapusin ko pa yung lahat yan. So, let's do it. Kaunti na lang kasi ubusin ko na lang. This Oral-B, there's white or mayroong white, mayroong pero hindi naman siya nakaka-stain itong pang yan, color lang yan. But you can use white toothpaste. Ayan Wala, grabe, ang ganda. Naniwala ako, guys. Ayan i-rub mo lang, then you use dry cloth to wipe it up, and then i-rub mo lang yung grabe grabe ang linis niya. As in puti talaga. Yan lagom kita mo yan lagom, hindi ko pa nalinisan. So yan na, guys, malinis na. Legit, guys. Use this is already what I did, already clean. Ayan. Pumuti na, grabe. Yung lagom na sapatos, puti na. So gamitan nyo ng